Hello, my name is Brian. I represent the stretch zones here in town, and we have a series of workshops we're doing for free where we'll come out to your location and provide a PowerPoint presentation and workshop and do a little show and tell about the muscles involved in back and hip pain or neck and shoulder pain. We've got a good workshop on ergonomics at work or pickleball, tennis, and golf specific stretches for your group. And we have several other topics, so it's really up to you what topic we focus on. But I'd be happy to have us come out there and do something for your guests or employees or members. It's our way of letting folks know what we do, and we really enjoy it. We'd like to include your business in whatever way you see fit. You can utilize us to educate or entertain or simply be a helpful resource for your group. The patented strapping system and the proprietary stretch protocols that we use at Stretch Zone give us a distinct advantage when it comes to flexibility training. And our clients get to lay down on a comfortable table while we do all the work, tailoring a one-on-one, done-for-them stretch session. And we just like to get out and teach with helpful explanations of the anatomy involved so that the average person can have a clear understanding of what they're up against. And we'd like to include your group this year. Your group could hold an educational workshop. Just choose a date and a time and we'll handle all the rest. So first things first, let's pick a date. We usually come out for a 1-hour presentation where we'll go over the anatomy and physiology and proper ways to stretch the most commonly involved muscles. We present slides that show where the muscles are located, what their purpose is, and what to focus on while stretching. And we'll give everyone a series of at-home stretches that they can do on their own for when they leave. This opportunity to hold a workshop is 100% free. We just like to get involved in our local community and try to empower and truly educate so that more people become aware that flexibility just got easier with practitioner-assisted stretch. It's actually much more scientific these days. The newest research from 2026 reveals some incredible findings that prove that what we've known all along, that flexibility is more than just feeling great, is true. It's about physically correcting the fundamental cause of your pain. And the research is impressive with up to 11 degrees of restored spinal flexion in just 30 days. I'm here to tell you 1 to 2 degrees would be a life-changing improvement for most people. So imagine what 8 to 11 degrees could do for you. And participants in the study saw almost an 80% improvement in discomfort and pain in just 30 days' time. Better sleep and higher energy were surprising perks of visiting a stretch zone. And 90% of those studied had a full body perceived benefit, making this one of the most safe and effective approaches to restoring mobility and pain-free movement. Practitioner-assisted stretching is clearly positioned to be an effective approach, so let's get your group booked for a free educational workshop so we can teach them the proper at-home stretching methods for the most commonly occurring mobility problems. The first step is you reaching out to us. Let us help you make this a great event for your group. Send us 1 or 2 possible dates for your first workshop, and we'll go from there. We'll take care of everything else.